ExpertVillage here at Jean Paris. This is Gloria Van Workum, and I'm working with my client. We're trying to pick out a style for her, a wig color as well. And we've gone from a light blonde to a little darker blonde with a little shade in it. And I think she looks very pretty in this color, although I think she does look pretty in the lighter blonde. So what we're going to do is we're going to try 2 or 3 different shades and 2 or 3 different styles on her and let her choose the one that she feels the most comfortable in. So what we'll do is we'll take this one off and we'll try another one. This one has a little bit more length to it. And it's a different shade of blonde, but she said she's been several shades of blonde, and she's liked the long and the short. So we're going to try one on that's just a little longer and see how she likes this one. This one has a really beautiful color. It has a lot of highlight to it. And she can wear, her skin tones are so pretty that she can wear a lot of different shades of blonde. So we're going to try this one on and see how she likes this one. This one has just a little bit of a red blonde tone to it. So it's very pretty. And it's a little bit longer in length. But it's always a good idea for you to try on 2 or 3 different styles, as well as colors. And then you can be sure that you're going to like what you get. It's very important because you're going to be wearing it for a while once you get it on, get it going and style it. So if you can get the one that you like the best, it's going to be a lot better for you and you'll be a lot happier with it. And that's what we want, is we want you to be comfortable and happy with the wig when you purchase it. So just make sure that you have whoever is helping you at the time to have you try on a couple of styles and colors as well.